In this video, we're going to look into another graph called the pie chart or the pie graph. Pie chart or a pie graph is a graph that shows percentages of values of a variable. The whole pie is assumed to have a size of 100 and the 100 is partitioned according to the percentages. It is applicable to any level of measurement but more often for nominal and ordinal data. So more often, pie charts or pie graphs are used to show percentage of this, percentage of that in a visual way, because in that way we can see which category has a bigger part of the whole. So now let us see how we can make a pie chart in Excel. I have here a data again from a survey of households, and this time the data is about the highest educational attainment of the head of the household. As always, Excel would need first a table for where it can base its chart or graph. So we go to Insert, Pivot Table, and like the usual, we select our data or the column where we have our data. We click that. Then for me, I will choose this worksheet still, so I can place my table here. Oops, sorry, I selected new worksheet. I should select this and I will select this one. Yes, then I click OK. So you see that there's a little bit of a problem there, so maybe we can undo that one and let's choose a different place, maybe here. So again, insert, select our data here, then existing worksheet should be here. Alright, then we click OK. So like the usual, we selected here, and as you can see here, we have now our different unique data values, which we will call HHEDU. And then we now selected back to values, and since it's already the frequency because it's count, we also select frequency. Alright, so now we have the table. We can now click this one here, go to Insert, and select this one, our pie chart. So you can select a 2D pie chart, or this one, or this one, but most probably it's better to choose this one. Now, since our values are a little bit big, we need to extend this because it's only showing 2. There you go, until no grade completed. There, after some adjustments, we already had a complete picture of our pie chart. Now, most of the time, Excel will just give this and then this one. To give us a given clearer picture, we can select this and we can put the data labels. And you can select other labels to include best fit or data callouts, wherein in the data callouts, the percentages will also be shown. We can also have here the inside end or the outside end, and you can actually adjust this, oops, like that one, so at least everyone will be seen. And I will leave it now to you to adjust whatever you need to adjust. So the pie chart can actually tell us that among all of these big colors are the ones that takes a lot in our entire sample. So we can conclude that the categories in those colors are more in number, more in count than the others in our sample, and that's how we use a pie graph or a pie chart.